morning. I'm at my workplace and I'm currently sitting here and I will record a fast February 4. So not much really happened. It's my first time going back around 7 a.m. and then I'm pretty happy with that. Just take the time to relax. So I'm taking my body to rest well and prepare before 7 p.m. So that's what I want to learn so that my body will be able to handle the relaxation that I have or I need to feel when I'm at home, because previously when I have a previous engagement or future plans, I tend to think about it even though I'm not moving or preparing at all, so that it burdens my mind. But right now I'm just taking my time to relax before actually allotting a time for me to prepare, and I did just that. So I will just lean on and do nothing, and that is my preparation. And then eventually, when I'm comfortable of that downtime, I will substitute it as my time for reading, for writing, or anything that I want to do. And that's just pretty much all the things that happened. I did learn I did listen to a podcast and learn a lot of things, so such as when you set your goals or your habits. So three months is the minimum and 6 months should be the time that you think about what happened, or when did you start, what are the things that changes you as a person. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And then when you look for the goals that you have, you need to think, what should I do today that will make myself proud a year after. So that's all the things that I need to do. So right now I'm contemplating of the habit that I've been building these past few weeks or this past month, because I did start fasting, but I don't think I will be proud if I did that through the whole year. And workout is a good indication, and also I just want to learn musical instrument, although I didn't do anything or I haven't started yet. So I will do that eventually, as well as learning Japanese. So I will learn musical instrument as well as learn Japanese, and by doing or by that's it.